How to customize widget or add widget or remove the widget on the lock screen on your latest Android 16 version. So if you have any Google Pixel device, this is my Pixel 8 device. Or if you have Pixel 8 or Pixel 9 series running the Android 16 UPR2 beta 1 version, you can easily add the widget to the lock screen. First of all, lock your Pixel device. When you lock your Pixel device, swipe right to left and you can see the widget to the lock screen on the latest Pixel device. You can add widget or remove the widget. To add or remove the widget, long press the lock screen on your device. When you long press it, you can see the option add widget at the top left corner. So tap on add widget option. Now here you can see two option new features and a browse in the latest update Android 16 beta update. So in the features you can see by default available VIPs, calendar schedule, your screen timeout, recently play option. Also, you can select the browse option to add a widget to your lock screen on the Android 16 version. So here first we add the clock on my Android 16 lock screen widget. Now select any clock you want to add. If you want to select clock, now here we select this clock. Now tap on a add button. Now add. Now select the clock face you want to add on your Android 16 lock screen. So here we select this clock. Now you can see add the clock. Just tap on it to increase or decrease the size. Also tap on edit icon to change it. So quite easy to add a widget to the lock screen on your Android 16. If you want to remove any widget, just long press the widget you want and you can see the remove icon. Just tap on it, remove icon to remove the widget from the lock screen on your Android 16 version. So quite easy. So add widget again. We add a like calendar schedule. Tap on this option. Now you can see the calendar added. Now tap on the done option at the top right corner and you can see how it looks on your Android 16 lock screen. So you can easily customize the widget on a lock screen on Android 16 on your Pixel devices. You can also change the setting. If you don't want to use this, you can disable this feature by go to app drawer on your device. Tap on the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on a display and touch. Now scroll down. Tap on a widgets on a lock screen option. Here you can see by default enable the widgets on a lock screen. So when we toggle up it and now lock your phone and when you swipe right you can't access the widget on the lock screen. So make sure to toggle on this option on your device. Toggle on the widget on a lock screen to show widget on the lock screen on your Android 16 version. Also you can select when to automatically show. By default set the never. You can select while charging. You can select while upright and charging option. In here you can also enable restrict to wireless charging if you want. So select if you want to automatically show the lock screen widget while your phone is charging or while upright and charging. So select the option. So this is the all lock screen customization settings on Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like these new features. Thank you for watching this video.